Hi, Steve from AgMaps. Picking up from our last video, we've just driven a boundary around my neighborhood, and you can see that we have an invalid polygon. So we're going to want to fix that up before we save it to the cloud. So from the driving screen, we want to go back, and we want to go into manually editing the polygons. And I'm just going to zoom out. I'm going to show you. From driving, I'm going to go into edit mode. And you can see we put a whole lot of points in there. So one of the tools that we give you is this button with the three nodes on it. A way to reduce the redundancies. If you noticed on the config screen, go up here, there's a setting for minimum bearing change. Essentially, this tool uses that setting to say, in this case I have a setting at 2. It's going to turn that back on. It's going to essentially get rid of all the vertices that are less than a 2-degree bearing change from the last one. So I'm going to press this button, and you can see it minimizes that quite a bit. So we don't have nearly the amount of vertices that to play with that we originally had. So it makes it a little bit easier to edit. So in this case, we're going to want to eliminate a lot of these vertices here right in the end. One of the tools that we give you is if you were to select, there's no sense in selecting these small ones. Those aren't actual vertices. So just select the big ones, grab hold of them, and drag it off screen. And that ends up getting rid of it. So any of them that you want to get rid of, drag off screen anywhere. And this way we can just start getting rid of a lot of this crap that we inadvertently put at the end that we really don't want as part of our boundary. And you can see we now have a blue one. So we are good to go.